Yes, good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we started discussion about CRUD operations, create, retrieve, update, and delete operations on FBVs. Generally, two types of views are there: FBVs, function based views, and CBVs, class based views. In that first one, function based views, yesterday 10th chapter just started class based reviews and this one program game చెప్పలేదా okay. So first I have to create the project cd Django 28th August Django hyphen admin start project. The project name is FBV project. cd FBV project py manage.py start app test app created a project and application. Add application in settings. These three are common. Open atom. FBV. This one. Open settings. Installed apps. Test app. Remove all these. Now, first, database is required. So create one table. Model class. Model class is responsible to create the table. So go to the models. Within the test app, models are there. The model name is class employee. Inside I have to provided models dot the class name is model. Inside employee number models dot integer field employee name models dot character field maximum length equal to 64 salary equal to models dot float field employee address equal to models dot character field maximum length. This is the first class. Next, py manage.py make migrations created. Py manage.py migrate. Okay, done. Once it is done, so register to the admin.py file. Go to the admin class, employee admin. Inside model name is admin, model admin. What is the variable? List underscore display, whatever columns you want to display, number, name, salary, address. How to register admin dot site dot register. First class name employee, second class name employee admin. But that employee is available from app dot models. Next, create the super user. Create super user, email ID, password, password, yes. Now created py manage.py, run the server. Server is started. Zero employees are there. If you want to insert 1, 2, 3, 4 records manually, okay. But I want to insert multiple records, then we can go with faker module. I have to created one file, populate.py file. Inside I can use faker module. So right click on main project, I go to a new file, file name, any name, populate.py file. In this one, the first one is import OS. Environment variable created. Django settings module fbv project dot settings done. Now import Django. dot setup. Next, I want to use the employee table. The employee table is available from test app dot models import. The class name is employee. Faker module is one from Packer is the module name, import Packer is the class name. I want to generate random numbers. Random is the module, import star. The employee, Faker class, random module, 3 are imported there. Create object. Faker equal to class name with parentheses. Object is ready. Create one function, populate of n. So in this one, I want to generate how many records for I in range of the n. 4 fields are their number, fake employee number. How to generate fake employee number? In the random module, there is one function is there randint. 1001 to 9999 one employee number generated. Fake e name, employee name. In the faker module, there is one function is there name function generated. Fake is sal. Rand integer of 10,000 to 20,000 is the salary. Now, fake e address. Faker lo there is one function is there city. 4 columns are ready. How to insert these values? Number, name, salary, address. I want to insert to this backend table. What is the command? One variable I can provided. Model name dot. What is the method? Objects dot get or create. If the values are there, it is reading the values stored into there. Otherwise, it is created. So, what is the columns are available there? Employee number. Our column is fake employee number. Employee name. Fake employee name. Employee salary. Fake e-sal. Employee address. Left side are table columns, right side dummy addresses. Fake e-address. No. Come outside the function definition. Ask how many employee records. Input. Enter. Number of employees stored into variable n. Convert into integer because it is the string. Call the function populate. Pass the n value. Print with f string. Curling brace. N records inserted successfully. If everything goes fine, records are inserted. Check line number 6 anta. Test app. ఇంకా line number 6 py populate.py number of employees 1 record inserted successfully. Start the server, go to the back and refresh. Yes, employee number, name, salary, address is added. Insert some more records. Stop the server, run the file. 50 employees inserted. Run the server. Come to here, refresh. Total 51 employees are added there. But my concept is I want to read this data and display to the end user. That is also But in the front page, I want to insert one employee record button. For each and every employee, I have to provide two buttons. So delete a, update a, delete a, update a. If you want to update, update the record. If you want to delete, delete the record. If you want to insert bottom, you can provide one button, insert button. No, this is the populate file. Hmm? ఇంకా అడ్మిన్లోనే ఉందా వ్యాపారం? పోయిందా admin.py? That is the poplet.py file. Once data inserted successfully, I want to read that data displayed to the HTML file. So who is responsible? Views.py is the responsible to read the data from the table and display in the HTML file. So views law. Views. Def retrieve underscore view. The first argument is request. Model name dot objects dot all is the function. But employee is not there. From test app dot models import employee. Stored into one variable, any variable, I am given employee list. This one send it to HTML file. Return render request test app slash index.html, my file name. Create one dictionary. emp underscore list colon emp underscore list. This key I can forward to HTML file. From there I can read one by one displayed. This is the views. WSGA file is web server gateway interface. Starting I'm telling at the time of deployment that file is used, not now. So now I have to take one HTML base.html. Because of template inheritance, in this I can write common HTML, CSS, those things. It is extended to index.html. First two folders is required. Right click, folder, templates. Right click, folder, test app. Right click, new file, base.html. Right click, new file, index.html. All are came. Go to settings. Create one variable. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Template dir, you can go to the dirs, paste it. Now done. Ippudu base lo take HTML code. Inside the title, you want to provided getbootstrap.com. I want only for this page I want to give the style tag. Inside I provided body, background color, red, white. Now I want to display some anchor tags. Color I can provided yellow. Now body low. Division, container, alignment I can give center. Here no need to write anything, curling brace, percentage, block. Any name you can give your wish. I am given body block. Next, percentage, end block. Base low, this is the code. Next, index. Index low. Go to the index HTML code. All these are not required, remove. Only I have to provided a curling brace. Percentage extends. Where is our file? Test app slash base.html. What is the block? Copy this block of the code. Inside you have to write your code. H1 tag I can provide it. Welcome to employee list. దీనికి ఒక URL డిఫైన్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. URLs. I want to give blank views dot retrieve view from test app import views. Server is started. Copy the address, come to here, paste it. Welcome to employee list. Employees I want to display. Okay. Come to the index. Inside I have to create a table format. Border 2 or 3 pixels you can give. Inside I want to provide a table head, that is employee number, employee name, employee salary, అడ్రస్ అనుకోండి. రీఫ్రెష్. నేను కనబడతలే. అవైలబుల్ దేర్. Once it is there, table సరే ఏదో ఒకటిలే. Now curling brace percentage for each employee in what is the variable employee list. One by one we are getting first row table row, first TD, curling brace, EMP dot employee number. Four columns are there. 2, 3, 4. Employee name, employee salary, employee address. ఇంకేముందా ఆఫ్టర్ end for come to here, refresh, all employees are came. అయితే now every employee here I want to add one column. That column name is action. Every employee I have to provide two buttons, delete, update. If you click on delete, that particular record I want to delete. If you click on update, that record I want to update, I have to display the some form. So here, after employee address, table heading is actions. Refresh, added there. Now, inside I want to provide TD, table data. I want to provide it as update, delete. యాక్షన్స్ అనేది సెంటర్లోకి రావాలి, లేదంటే ఈ రెండింటినన్నా కంబైన్ చేయాలి. ఇది చూడండి, అయితే యాక్షన్ సెంటర్ లేదా ఈ రెండింటిని ఒకే దానిలో పెట్టాలి తీసుకెళ్ళి. పక్కన ఇస్తే పోద్దేమో. Update to delete. I want to provide this update into cut this, update, anchor tag close, cut this, give here, two are there, some space, ఇది anchor tag. N 2 3 4 సేవ్. యాక్షన్స్ సెంటర్కి రావాలి అది. So now once it is provided, I want to add after this table, I have to provided one anchor tag for the insertion purpose. Insert new employee. Refresh. ఇది ఎక్కడో ఉంది కనపడకుండా. After this table, break. Inside, we have to provided class equal to, give the refresh. And button will be there. One button we provided there. So button is there, insert button. Once I clicking this, one form I want to display. If I want to delete, this record will be deleted. If you click on update, that employee record will be updated. That things we are doing, that is called as CRUD operations. How to insert, how to update, and how to delete. This is index page. ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? కాలం స్పాన్ ఏమైతే అప్పుడు ఏమీ అవ్వాల. ఇవి 2 కాలమ్స్ కాదు కదా. Yeah, if it is in 2 TDs, then okay. But it is in single TD I provided. No use of this one. ఇంటి వల్ల మన వాళ్ళంతా మాస్ బంక్ కొట్టారు. So now in the front end, there is one button is there, that is insert new record. With the cursor. The button is I provided no insert new employee. Once I'm clicking on this button, I want to display one form with employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. Submit. Then directly I want to store to the database. So what is required? One form is required. Which type of form? Model form. Because from the front end, wherever I'm inserting, now I want to click on this button. Present it is pointing to the hash symbol. Nothing will be there. Once I'm clicking on this, then I want to provided ఇంకోండి బటన్ ఇంకో రెండు బ్రేక్లు ఇద్దాం కనపడిద్ది. Now if I click on this one, I want to display one form. How to display? Who is responsible? Forms.py. Compulsory I have to take model form because I want to store directly data. Go to the test app. This is the test app. Right click, new file, forms.py. Here from Django, import forms, class, employee, form, forms dot, which form? Model form. What is the class? Meta class. Inside model name. What is the model name? Where you can store employee. How many fields? Underscore underscore all. Then all will be added. It is available in from test app dot models import employee. This is the forms.py. So view is responsible to display this form. Go to the views. Create one more view. Def. This is for insert purpose. Request. Create object for employee form class. Return render request test app slash insert.html. Create one dictionary. Form colon form. But employee form class is not available here. From test app dot forms import employee form. This view is responsible to send the form. Finalga insert.html. So insert.html is responsible to display the form. So finalga right click new file insert.html HTML code. Instead I want to provide index copy paste it. Now here block body block remove all these employee insert form block body block done దీనికి ఒక URL define my URL is insert slash views dot insert view. This insert you can provide to index low wherever insert new employee is there here you can give. Now refresh the app. Once place the cursor, yes, employee insert form page came. But form is not there. Go to the insert. Insert I have to display the form. Form tag. Class A action not required. Method is post method. Inside curling brace. Form dot as underscore p. Come here, refresh. Form came. One button is required for this. Input type. Submit. Value. Insert. Record. Index lo we have to take in button. Copy this. Type name. Button. అదేంటి అలా ఉంది btn wow now insert the employee record 101 employee name Sunny employee salary 12,000 employee address Mumbai once you click on insert record oh ఇవ్వలేదు మనం mistake curling brace percentage crf underscore token refresh the app come to down insert employee number 101 employee name employee salary address insert the record is inserted not inserted no 100 so here 51 objects are there you have to refresh it is it inserted record 51 is there previous Sunny is not available the reason for that is within the views you are not reading the data inserted just created empty form is displaying that's why not inserted we have to write the logic for insertion purpose form dot save then it will be inserted so finally view is the responsible to insert just if form is valid form dot save So go to the views. Here, this is the empty form. I have to override in this form if request dot method equal to post method. Override the empty form with user provided data. How? Employee form request dot post. Now have to check that if form dot is underscore valid, form dot save, return. Once data inserted, I want to go to the main page. I want to go with there is one more function is there, redirect. Because once the data inserted, I want to go to the main page. Save this. Server restarted. Now come to here. Go to the main page. Now insert new employee 101, employee name, salary, Mumbai. Once you click on this button, it will goes to the main page. Post అక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్ పోయింది. ఇక్కడ అక్కడే పొట్టి పడింది. Come to here. Insert. సన్నీ కలిసి రాలా. రాధిక 15,000. Insert. Very good. Radhika is inserted. Go to the background, refresh. Radhika record is inserted. So that is how data will be inserted. This is the final code. Next to update and delete. So tomorrow I will tell about update, delete. Present, this is the insert operation. Yeah, tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow Saturday, na? Class is there tomorrow. If any updates are there, I will update in the Telegram.